Hello, people. So, here I'm back with another interesting test case. Actually, this test case is interesting as well as surprising as well. Let me quickly show you what this test case is about. So, this is a manufacturing industry test case. Here I am manufacturing bicycle frames, that is my finished goods, and my end goal is that each and every finished goods should pass through quality check. Basically, I just wanted to do an individual quality checks for each and every SKU or finished goods that is being produced into the system. And if any goods is rejected, the rejected goods can either be scrapped or can be sent for rework. Sounds easy, right? No. But here where the catch is. Now a lot of people who is aware of Odoo might say, hey, it's very easy. You just need to link your quality module with the manufacturing. Simple, right? But there are a few issues or else say warnings that Odoo is raising because of the certain configuration. Let me just show you what before that. Let me showcase you what I have created. So I have created a finished goods called bicycle frame, and tracking is kept by quantity only, and bill of materials already set. I by the way I just randomly taken these two products, and these are the operations OP1 OP2. Now those who are aware of Odoo know that in quality app we have an option. So here in the quality app, once I click on create checkpoint, click on new test, product is my bicycle frame. Under the operations manufacturing, and for OP2 I want to do this thing. Now here is where the catch is. If I click on quantity, means system will allow me to do quality for each and every unique or single product, right? Now, so here you can see this is what is blocking me to achieve the end goal. The quality check type is not possible with manufacturing operation types. So this is where the catch is. Means Odoo is not supporting unique or single level of quality check for the operations. Now what to do? First of all, let us discard this, and I have already created. Okay, it's not there, no problem. Let me quickly create one for you. And here I'm keeping per operation. My operation is manufacturing, work order will be OP2, operation is okay, this looks good, just save this. Now let me try creating a manufacturing order frame. Now I have created a MO for 5 quantities. Now out of this, okay, let us just confirm this. Open the shop floor. Okay, it is there, perfect. Let us go to the manufacturing order again. Now out of these five, three are completely fine, quality is passed, but for the remaining two, quality is being failed. Now how can I manage that? So first of all, let us open shop floor. Operation 1 looks good. Now in the operation 2, here you can see system is asking me. By the way, I have already created this one. Okay, that's why it's showing 2. Let us just ignore this as of now. Now I need to do the quality just for 3, means 3 are okay and 2 are rejected. If I click on okay, all 5 will be processed. If I click on reject, all 5 will be rejected, but it doesn't work for me, right? So what we are going to do is, let me just quickly open this manufacturing order. Now I am going to split this in the batch of 3. So 3 and 2 split. Now I have two manufacturing orders. One is for 3 quantities, one is for 2 quantity. Now let us open the 2 quantity manufacturing order. Shop floor. OP1 is fine, but these are rejected. So I have marked the quality as rejected. Let me again go to the manufacturing order. For me, these 3 are fine. So now you can see I'm just processing these 3 only. Again, I'll go to the manufacturing order. For me, these 3 are fine. Let us just produce them. Now, what will be done for these two which are rejected? Now, what we can do is, if any of the components is being rejected from this particular product, if you are into such a manufacturing business where you can unbuild it and remove the faulty one and add a new one, what we can do is, first of all, we will produce it. Now here you can see I have produced that. Now in case if you want to remove any of the faulty component, you just need to click on unbuild. Once we unbuild it, everything will be unbuilt. Here you can remove the faulty one and add new one and run a new manufacturing order. Now the whole thing is not cannot be used. So in that case, what we have to do is we can scrap the whole thing. That's the only option we can do. So I'll just scrap the two products from here. Scrap, confirm. Now these two are moved to the scrap. Total in starting we have generated a manufacturing order for 5 SKUs, out of which 3 are okay and 2 were rejected. So now my inventory should show me 3 SKUs which are being added into my inventory. Let us click on this one. By the way, it will show one extra because I was doing some certain testing. That's why it's showing 4. Just quickly open that. On hand, if I click on history, 3 that we just made, and 2, 3, and there should be 1, and it's showing scrap as well. So this is how we can manage quality check. If you have any better solution for this, or if you think there are any configuration that I missed, just do let me know. I will be very much happy to learn new things, and I'm always open to learn new things. Thank you.